Hi, I'm Carmen Maines, and I'm here today to talk about your hiccup problems. Have you ever had the case of the hiccups during a very, very important meeting and you've been asked to step out? That's both embarrassing and annoying. A hiccup is a spasm of your diaphragm, and I know the best way of getting rid of that spaz. First, you hold your breath for as long as you possibly can. Then you let it out. Then you take in a huge big gulp of air, and you let that out. So here it goes. 1, 2, 3.
Says she's no good with words, but I'm worse. But started out a joke of a romantic stuck to my tongue. Way down with words too over dramatic. Tonight is a cat, much worse. There's no one sure to